Welcome to this guide on the Waves Exchange platform, where we'll walk through all the important features of the platform. Waves Exchange offers users an easy way to trade, stake, and manage their digital assets. When you first land on the site, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. You can create an account quickly by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration prompts. Once registered, you can access the Market section, where you'll find a wide array of cryptocurrencies, including popular tokens and coins, to buy, sell, or trade. The platform is known for its fast transactions, low fees, and wide range of supported assets. You could also use the Waves platform to create your own tokens and launch initial coin offerings, ICOs. In addition to trading, Waves Exchange allows you to take part in decentralized finance, DeFi, services. You can use Waves staking options to earn passive income from your assets. With a few simple clicks, you can stake your Waves or other supported tokens and start generating rewards. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once you're familiar with the basics, you can begin exploring advanced trading features like margin trading and using the Waves Exchange app for mobile access. The platform also offers a robust security system, ensuring your funds are safe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials and guides, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.